If you've ever tried to write a long story in ChatGPT and felt like the output was too short, too scattered, or just not detailed enough, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a simple, structured way to write long-form stories in ChatGPT without losing consistency, without getting stuck halfway through, and without having to rewrite everything from scratch. This is a great method for fantasy stories, sci-fi stories, novels, character-driven fiction, or any long creative project you want to build with AI. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and ChatGPT tips. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that writing a long story in ChatGPT works best when you break the process into phases. Instead of asking for the entire story at once, you want to guide ChatGPT step by step. That helps the model stay focused, maintain world building, and keep your characters consistent from beginning to end. The first phase is to establish what I like to call a story blueprint. This is where you tell ChatGPT the foundation of your story before you ask it to write anything. Open ChatGPT and start with a prompt that includes the genre and tone of your story. For example, you might say you want a grim dark fantasy, an upbeat sci-fi adventure, a romantic mystery, or a thriller with a serious tone. Then add your world-building details. This can include important locations, rules of the world, magical systems, technology, politics, or anything else that shapes the setting. After that, define your characters clearly. Include their names, physical descriptions, personality traits, goals, fears, and motivations. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to keep the story aligned later. Once you've built that foundation, ask ChatGPT to create a comprehensive chapter-by-chapter outline. This is one of the most important steps because a strong outline gives you structure before the actual writing begins. Instead of jumping straight into a full story, you're letting ChatGPT map out the journey first. That way you can see the beginning, middle, and end before you commit to the draft. If needed, you can even ask for multiple chapters with scene summaries, key emotional beats, and major plot points in each section. After you get the outline, review it carefully. If something feels rushed, vague, or off track, refine it before moving forward. This is where you can ask ChatGPT to add more conflict, deepen the emotional stakes, or expand a character arc. Once the outline looks good, move to the next phase and start writing the story in smaller pieces. For example, ask ChatGPT to write Chapter 1, Scene 1 based on the outline. Be specific about what you want, such as detailed sensory descriptions, realistic dialogue, pacing, or a particular narrative voice. This is much better than saying write the whole story, because smaller requests usually produce better quality and more consistent results. After you generate one scene, continue building from there scene by scene or chapter by chapter. That gives you more control and makes it easier to edit as you go. If a section feels too short, ask ChatGPT to expand it. If it feels too generic, ask for more emotion, more conflict, or more detail. If the pacing is too fast, tell ChatGPT to slow it down and add more internal thoughts, reactions, and environmental description. One very useful technique is to ask ChatGPT to critique its own writing. For example, after it writes a scene, you can say, critique the pacing of the last scene, or tell me where this chapter needs more depth. This helps you identify weak spots before continuing. You can then ask for revisions based on that feedback. That's how you turn a basic draft into something much stronger. Another tip is to keep a running story Bible in your chat. A story Bible is basically a reference sheet that tracks your characters, settings, rules, timeline, and major events. If you're writing a long story, this is extremely helpful because it prevents contradictions later. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize the current story details after each chapter so you always have a clean reference to work from. That way, if you come back later, you can paste the summary and continue writing without losing consistency. If you want even better results, use prompt chaining. That means each step builds on the previous one. First blueprint, then outline, then chapter draft, then revision, then expansion. This method is much more reliable than trying to get a finished story in one prompt. It also makes the story feel more intentional and polished. And if you want ChatGPT to match a certain style, you can give examples of the kind of narration, pacing, or dialogue you want. You can also tell it exactly how long each section should be, which is helpful if you're aiming for a novel, novella, or episodic story format. The key is to be clear, structured, and patient. Long stories are not about one giant prompt. They're about building the story layer by layer. So remember the workflow. Create the story blueprint, generate a chapter outline, write one scene at a time, critique and refine each section, and keep a story Bible so everything stays consistent. That's the easiest way to write long-form stories in ChatGPT without getting lost. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI writing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.